Facing right sides together, because that's how we sew, right? Right sides together. So this side facing this side, that's one, and you're going to sew them 1/2 inch. I'm about to sew it. Make sure you back stitch on the edges so the stitches stay. 1/2 inch. Take a marker, bada boom, bop, bang. Okay, next one, overlock seam. Overlock seam. This is the overlock seam, the overlock seam. So the overlock seam, all you really need to do is take it to your overlock machine and sew it. I'm not going to show this part because I don't feel like moving my camera, but I'm going to show you once I'm done sewing the overlock seam. So the overlock seam, like, I know how you saw the butterfly seam is overlocked, but is opened up like a butterfly. This one is going to be closed, and all you're going to do is sew. So now it's overlocked only in one direction. Overlocked in one direction. So this one is opened and overlocked. This one is closed and overlocked. You're gonna just, this is the most ideal one that people use. This is the one most people use. It's the fastest, the easiest, and yeah. But all these other ones are still great to know if you want like a different design on your clothing. Like if you want it to look different, like, yeah, hell yeah, use one of these different seams so you can be different. But this is the main one people use. You just sew it and you overlock it. Overlock seam.